Hi Skin Games, I'm Jamie Renee Asare, and I am tuning in for my week 1 of my open category case study, and I am here with the lovely Dahlia Wagley, my bestie, my besthetician. We are going to be working on hair restoration around the crown of her head. So Dahlia, how long have you been suffering with this, and do you have an official diagnosis?
I do have an official diagnosis of alopecia on this little side and tension alopecia over here. As a sugarista, my hair is always up in the treatment room, but as I'm aging, I am losing my hairline.
I am thankful to be sponsored by Neogenesis. So I will be using their Hair Restoration Serum. We will be doing microchanneling, jet plasma, and yeah, that's pretty much what we're going to be doing over the next 8 weeks. And of course, you know, as this goes on, we might add in something else. We'll see along our journey what happens over the next few weeks. So stay tuned. Thank you very much, Neogenesis. Thank you, Skin Games. We will see you next week for week number 2.